In the heart of Columbus, Ohio, nestled within the embrace of amenities and the vibrant hum of urban life, lies a residence of both history and modernity. The 3 bedrooms beckon with the promise of restful slumber, while the 1.5 baths come complete with contemporary fittings and custom tilework. The spacious living room can be easily separated from the dining room simply by closing the meticulously preserved original pocket doors. A stairway made of centuries-old hardwoods ascends to the most magnificent feature of this home, the second-floor laundry. Another highlight of this home is the granite countertops that will make a remarkable place to put your takeout containers. You aren't cooking anything. Stop lying to yourselves. I love you.